Good morning, my dear students. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignam Kurume Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take a class for UKG, that is the numeracy skills counting in fives. Okay, here see, circle the objects in group of 5. So here 1 2 3 4 5, this is one circle. 1 2 3 4 5, this is another circle. We have to make this is called count in fives, right? 1 2 3 4 5, this is another circle we have to draw. 1 2 3 4 5, this is another circle we have to draw. The count in fives. Okay, the count in fives, right? So next see, 1 2 3 4 5, this is count in fives. This is a group of 5. 1 2 3 4 5, this is group of 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, this is group of 5 again. Okay, this count in fives, the count in fives. All right, 1 2 3 4 5, this is one group. 1 2 3 4 5, this is another group. Okay, this is another group. Next is 1 2 3 4 5, this is one group. Count in fives, this is one group. 1 2 3 4 5, this is another group. So like this we can make the count in fives, the group of 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5, this is another group, 5. 1 2 3 4 5, this is one more group. So we have to draw the group, we have to make a group. So these are called count in fives, count in fives, right? 1 2 3 4 5, this is one group. 1 2 3 4 5, this is another group. 1 2 3 4 5, this is another group. This is count in fives. These are called count in fives. Okay, so next we do the some more activity. Okay, so let's do the some more activities based on the same concept. Based on the same concept, count in fives and circle the numeral. Okay, so counting in fives. So 1 2 3 4 5, 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So like this we can make a count and circle the fifth one. So that is called count in fives. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2. Next is this is 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5. So count in fives. So this is called count in fives. So write the numeral that you have circled. So write the numeral that you have circled means here what we have to do is see here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Like this we have to write all the numbers which we have circled in the above table. Right? So here we have to write those numbers. 5, 10, after 10 it's a 15, after 10 it is a 15. Okay, after 10 it is a 15. Then we have 20, then 25, then 30, then 35, then 40, then 45, we have circled that number, then 50, then 50, then 55. Next we have to write 60, 65, 65. Next is 70, then 75, okay, 75, 80, 85, 85, then 90, 95, then 100. These numbers we made the circle, then count in fives. Okay, that number we have to write it here in this table. Then we have to move on to the count in fives. Count in fives. Okay, skip, count and complete. 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, after 25, 30, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right? Skip, count and complete ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾರಿದು. Skip, count and complete. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right? So then here 25, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Write down 40, 41, 45, 42, 43, 44, 45. Write down 45. Okay. After 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Write down 50. Okay. See here. After 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Write down 55. Okay. Then 60. Then 65. Then it is 70. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So like this we have to count and skip, count and write. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. Like 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 65. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 70, after the 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Write down 75. The skip count by 5. Right? So then we have this 45, 35, 40, 45, 45, 50, 50, then 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So skip count in 5s. Skip count in 5s. Right? So next we have 45, 50, 55, 55, 60, 60, 65, after 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Right? So this is how we need to write the skip counts by 5. Okay. Then 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Okay. So likewise we have to write the skip, count and write in 5s. Counting in 5s. Okay. This is how we have to complete this. Right? Then one more example based on the same concept, that is complete the missing numeral. Skip, count in 5s. Right? So again same thing. 15, I say 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number is 20. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 15, 20. 25 based on the same thing. 25. 30, 35. 35, 40. 40, 45. 45, 50. 50. Then 55. 55, 60. Okay. Then 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, 10. 5, 10. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right? So like this we have to complete this. Then again we have 10, 15, right? 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 45, 50, 50, then 55. So this is called count in fives. Count in fives, right? Then this is 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, then 100. Count in 50s, right? So based on the same, we will write the further numbers. 60, 65, 65, 70, 75, 70, 75, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, then 100, then 100. Okay, so like this we have to write this skip count by 5s. Skip count by 5s. Skip count by 5s. So next we have this 5, 10, 10, then we have 15, then 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40, 45, 45, 50. Okay, then we have this is before this 50, 55 will come, 55, 60, 65, 70, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, this is how we have learned skip counting in fives. Skip counting in fives. Okay, earlier in the previous session we have learnt about skip count by twos, and this is called skip count by fives. Skip count by fives. Okay, clear? Skip count by fives. Okay, so let's move on to the next concepts, that is called 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys, right? So this is like a rhyme. 5 little monkeys is just like a rhyme. So 5 little monkeys. One little monkey waiting for a friend. One little monkey waiting for a friend. One more joins in, and then there were two. Okay, one little monkey waiting for a friend. One more joins in, and then there were two. Two little monkeys jumping from a tree. Two little monkeys jumping from a tree. One more joins, and then there were three. One more joins, then there were three. Three little monkeys eating peanuts. Three little monkeys eating peanuts. One more joins in, then there were four. Three little monkeys eating peanuts. One more joins in, and then there were four. Four little monkeys wishing there were more. Four little monkeys wishing there were more. One more joins in, and then there were five. Four little monkeys wishing there were four more. One more joins in, and then there were five. Five little monkeys sitting on a wall, eating bananas and chatting together. Five little monkeys sitting on a wall, eating bananas and chanting together. See here, 5 little monkeys are sitting on a wall and chanting together, chatting together, right? So this is how this is called as a rhyming. This is called 5 little monkeys is a rhyme. Just you have to read. You have to say the rhyme. Okay. One little monkey waiting for a friend. One more joins in, and then there were two. One little monkey waiting for a friend. One more joins in, and then there were two. Two little monkeys jumping from a tree. Two little monkeys jumping from a tree. One more joins in, and then there were three. One more joins in, then there were three. Three little monkeys eating peanuts. 3 little monkeys eating peanuts. One more joins in, and then there were 4. One more joins in, and then there were 4. 4 little monkeys wishing there were more. 4 little monkeys wishing there were more. One more joins in, and then there were 5. 4 little monkeys wishing there were more. One more joins in, and then there were 5. 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys sitting on a wall. 5 little monkeys sitting on a wall, eating bananas and chatting together. 5 little monkeys sitting on a wall, eating bananas and chatting together. See here, 5 little monkeys sitting on a wall and chatting together. Okay, this is a rhyme about 5 little monkeys. Okay, so now as we have studied about counting in twos, counting in fives, and counting in twos and counting in fives, after that a rhyme, 5 little monkeys. Now let's do some count and add. You know, add means adding together, means joining more, joining more, joining more. Consider you have a one pencil or one crayon. Your mama gave you one more pencil. So how many there were? One you have, one more they have given, one you have, one more they have given. There were totally 2 pencils. There were totally 2 pencils. There were totally 2 pencils. Right? Like this. How many pencils do you have? I have 2 pencils. This is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 and 2. Right? 1 and 1 is equal to 2. 1 and 1 is equals to 2. Right? You know that simple addition. Okay? Like this we have to do the addition. Addition symbol is plus. Count and add. Addition symbol is plus. Plus is the addition symbol. So let's do some more example based on the same concept. Count and add. 1 mango, 2 mangoes. 1 mango, 2 mangoes plus 1, 2, 3. This is 2 plus 3. 2 mangoes and 3 mangoes equals to 5 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altogether there were 5 mangoes. There are 5 mangoes. Right? Then we have a stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 stars. 5 plus 3 is equals to, or 5 stars plus 3 star is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. There are 8 stars. 5 stars plus 3 stars is equals to 8 stars. Okay. 5 stars plus 3 stars is equals to 8 stars. Right. 1, 2, 3, 3x. 1, 2, 3, 3x. 3x plus 3x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x. 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x. 3x plus 3x equals to 6x. Right? Then count and add further. Count and add further. Right? You are enjoying, right? Count and add. Okay? Here 2 flowers, 2 patterns of flowers. Here plus 2 patterns of flowers. 2 plus 2. This is 2 plus here 2 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to 4. Is equals to 4. Right? Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies. 1, 2, 3. 3 candies. 4 plus 3 candies is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candies. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 candies. Alright. So here next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 balls is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balls. 5 balls plus 4 balls. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 5 balls, 4 balls is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is how we have to count and write. This is how we have to count and write. Okay. Clear. So next what we have to do is, next example is draw, add and write. Draw, add and write. Draw, add and write. Okay. We need to draw ourselves and we need to count and we need to add and write. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups. Here plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cups. 3 cups plus 4 cups equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. 7 cups. 3 cups plus 4 cups equal to 7 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cups. So like this we have to do the next 2 plus 2. So we will draw the like circle. Okay, circle or smiley we draw, right? 1 and 2. 2 plus 2 smileys. 1 and 2. 2 smileys. Okay, is equals to, how many are 2 smileys here? 2 smileys here. How many smiley it will become? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 smileys. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down here 4. 4 smileys. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 smileys here, 2 smileys here, total 4 smileys here. Alright. So then we have two triangles are here. 1, 2. 2 triangles. 1, 2. Here one triangle. One triangle is equals to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles we have to draw. Okay. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 triangles. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 triangles. Right. So here we have 4, means 4 we will draw. We draw flower 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2. 1 and 2 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers we need to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So sorry, there's only 5 flowers we need to draw. 3 plus 4, right? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2 are 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So like this we have to draw any objects, any pictures, then we have to count and add. Then we have to count and add, then write. Okay, here 5 plus 2. I'll draw some simply triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus. Here 2 triangles. 1, 2 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equals to 7 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Write down 7 here. Write down 7 here. Okay. Write down 7 there in the circle. Okay. After that, let's go for this some other example. So here is 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Alright. So let's do this. So we will make 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 circles are here. 8 circles plus one more circle is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we have to draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now we have 6 circles, 6 here and 3 here. We will make a triangle, 6 triangles we will make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 triangles plus 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. We have to draw 9 circles, 9 triangles here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. This is how we have to draw and add, then write. Okay. So now we have count and add. Now we have count and add. Okay. I will do one more activity, one more page activity based on this, the count and add. So just we need to do the counting. 2 here, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 2 plus 1 is 3, 1, 2, 3. Here 3, 1, 2, 3. Here 2, 1, 2. Count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5 here. That's it. Okay. Count and add. Next we have the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 plus 1. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together 5 butterflies. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2. 1, 2. All together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down 7. Okay. Then we have 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 2. 1, 2. 7 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay. This is how we have to write. Count and write. So based on the same concept, let's move on to the count and write. Count and add. So this is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. So next is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count all together. That will become your sum. Right. So here 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 2 and here 3. Here these are 2 and these are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So altogether it is 9. Okay. Then we have 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 6, 7, 8. So like this we have to add. Count and add. Okay. Based on this we have few more examples. I will explain you in next session. Okay. This is called count and add. So by this I will wind up this class here only. Let's see you in the next session. Take care. Bye.